This is code.org. Let's see what we're doing. Debug repeat animations. This bubbly sprite should have multiple frames of animation that repeat, but it seems to stop almost immediately. Let's see. Oh, okay. Alright. Sprite animates smoothly. Sprite has after image and stops animating. Okay. Run the loop and see. Use clues to try to find and debug. Okay, set animation bubbly. Let's go in here. Oh, yep. And what's this saying? Sprite animates smoothly. Sprite has an after image and stops animating. So first I noticed, look at this thing here. This thing's pretty fast. I'm not sure we want it that fast, but let's see. So what it's doing is it's going to show us the animation once, and it does. There's the animation. And now it's over because we set the animation up at the top. Let's try doing this. Nope, because again, setting the animation is just putting it there for the first time, and we need it to keep going smoothly. So what's going on? Well, notice when I hit reset and run, the start animation, and we can go to the animation tab, look, here. So do you ever see lines above its head? I don't, I only see dots. What if I hit run here? Why is there suddenly like a line of dots? It's running 30 times a second. It's actually animating right now. It is showing that animation. But we're not seeing it. And the reason we're not is we're not blanking out the background. If it's running 30 times a second, it just piles on top of each other and then it's just repeating itself. We can't tell because we never blank out the old to see the new. So let's go into drawing and background color. Now, be careful of this because say I put this here and I don't know, I'll go green. Background color after sprites means you just suffocated your sprite with, well, green paint or whatever, right? Because my sprite is drawn. It's behind this wall of green. But the last line of code you put is the last line of code the computer runs. So my computer hits this line, it draws my sprite for me, and then it says, oh, I gotta cover the screen in green. Done. Hits the bottom, goes back, does that 30 times a second, and we never see the sprite because we always cover it in green. And now, the reason this is working is it's not letting it smudge. After every frame of the animation, just to show you, after every frame of the animation, you see how it smears here? But after every frame of the animation, faster than we can see, the screen is blanked out with a green wall, and the sprite's put back on it. 30 times a second. Illusion of movement. It's like a flip book. It's pretty cool. Let's keep going.